Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change indent in publisher numbering. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher document. Then click the page and go to the home menu. Then click the numbering option and choose any numbering. Then write anything. Now we want to change the indent of this numbering. Firstly, select the whole numbering text. Click and drag on our mouse. Then select the hanging indent and move it. And we can see we change the indent, this numbering very easily. You can gap after between the number or text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.